Watch him! Watch him!
You alright, man?
I got it!
Hey, Matt, I'm going to give you a fucking hell yeah right there if you give it all you have. Fuck! Crazy motherfucker.
Yeah, man.
About it is my samurai made it that far.
I got it.
Don't go no further than I go, old boy. I was well past you, motherfucker. I tell everybody when they come to this cake, don't do what I can't do.
Oh!
I'll tell you what we're going to put doing there. We're going to make us a hole up there.
Well, you know,
We'll have to drag it back down again.
what if you just stiffed up a little bit? Then people will turn in her.
We'll get up that son of a bitch. You wait.